pleasure to have you with us on the Property Show. Moving on to Lucknow, we have a caller, Anand Prakash Singh. Hello, sir. Where do you want to invest?
Madam, good evening. Very nice talking to you. I would like to buy the property for end use at Lucknow.
Okay.
That is, I have selected shortlisted 3 projects. That is Eldeco Saubhagyam,
Okay.
Ratan Galaxy, and Horizon Anant.
Okay.
And can you tell me which of the out of 3 one is the best for end user, or any other option for Vrindavan individual house within 40 lakhs rupees?
Sure. Okay. So 30 to 40 lakhs in Lucknow. Mr. Prakash Singh has shortlisted Eldeco Saubhagyam, Ratan Galaxy, and Horizon Anant. Sameer, how do you rate these properties?
Well, all the 3 projects are good projects. There is only one thing that needs to be kept in mind for investors in Lucknow, that the markets have really slumped and sales are hardly happening at this point in time, and prices are coming down, even though developers are not bringing down prices, but there are really no buyers in the market at this point in time. So investors slightly beware, and if you see the inventory overhang of Raebareli Road, which used to be very good at one point in time, is now at 28 odd months. The mid segment's weighted average price is 3,200, and the price appreciation is also tapered down, and it's only about 8% on an annualized basis. However, you're an end user, so it doesn't really matter. This probably would be a good time for you to enter the markets. Eldeco Saubhagyam at 33 to 3,400 rupees a square foot is in Sector 9 within Vrindavan Yojana on Raebareli Road. The project is spread over 11 odd acres, is 300 meters away from Amar Shahid Path, and construction is in mid stages and expected possession in 2016. There is a gym, wellness center, and a shopping center in this project itself. Galaxy by Ratan Housing. This is a project spread over 4.5 acres. Ratan Housing is a reputed developer, has successfully delivered many residential and commercial projects in Lucknow and Kanpur. The amenities include a swimming pool, a skating court, and a fitness center. This is in Sector 12 of the Vrindavan Yojana. And lastly, we have Horizon Anant by Horizon Dwellings at 2850. This is a small project of 4 acres. Total towers are 9. Existing support infrastructure is there, like shopping mall, educational institutions, and amenities include an indoor badminton court, auditorium, skating ring, etc.
Okay, moving on to our next question. We have Ravi Kumar Goel on the line with us. Hello, sir. What's your question?
Hello.
Hello, sir. Go ahead. आपका सवाल क्या है?
मैडम, एक 20-25 लाख की एक प्रॉपर्टी लेना चाहता हूँ मैं दिल्ली और NCR में, तो उसके लिए मुझे कुछ गाइड करेंगे?
ओके, आपकी कोई लोकेशन प्रेफरेंस है?
नहीं है, ऐसी कोई लोकेशन नहीं है स्पेसिफाइड.
Okay, so 22 to 25 lakhs, Mr. Goel would like a property to invest in NCR.
Yeah, so there are not too many options as far as a budget of 22 lakhs will permit you in the NCR region. You'll have to go really in the outskirts, and that too of Ghaziabad, where we are recommending you 2 micro markets. One is the NH24 bypass, and the other one is the Indraprastha Yojana region. Both these micro markets are witnessing slow sales, although they are still very affordable markets. Indraprastha Yojana has got 24 months of inventory overhang, so it's on the danger zone, 22 months. But NH24 bypass is 28 months. Sales are really slow there because of a large amount of supply also in that region. There are 15,000 apartments coming up in this new location, out of which 7,000 are unsold. The mid segments in the Prastha Yojana region's weighted average price is 3,350 and NH24 bypass is 2,900. So these are probably the cheapest destinations left in the NCR region. Price appreciation because of the low base has been very good, 10% for Indraprastha Yojana, and NH24 has been about 12 odd %. The projects that you can consider are Bharat City 1 by BCC Developers. This is a project in the Bharat City, which is an integrated township of 60 acres. It's a joint venture with the HDFC PMS and BCC group. That's why it surely be delivered. Bal Bharti School is likely to become operational in this school. Big Plus phase 2 with 3 towers in the initial stages of possession. Project has good amenities in this, like a tennis court, hospital, shopping mall, market, cricket stadium amongst others. So I think this project could go a long way. Mahagunpuram 2 by Mahagun Developers, 14 acres of land parcel, 10 kilometers from Noida Nindrapuram and 16 kilometers from Anand Vihar. There are amenities like the clubhouse, gym, swimming pool, etc. Phase 1 has already been successfully delivered, in which approximately 450 families are already living in. Big plus for this township. Project is bang on NH24. Aditya Urban Homes by Agarwal Associates, again at a very low price at 2,700 to 3,100. Part of a 200-acre township, Aditya World City. Individual project area is about 20 acres. The amenities include the gym, swimming pool, separate kids area, and the township is a stone throw distance from the Columbia Asia Hospital. And the project will have in-house multiplex and shopping area. Project construction is in initial stages, about 2.5 years time to complete.
Okay, so Mr. Goyal, we're giving you 1 BHK options in NCR on the NH24 bypass and in Indraprasth Yojana. These two markets have a lot of affordable housing stocks and the three projects we're recommending. Construction and progress is well on track, and they're not just developing affordable homes, they're giving a whole host of facilities inside the complex and the township. Look at Bharat City 1 by BCC Developers, Mahagunpuram 2 by Mahagun, and Aditya Urban Homes by Agarwal Associates. An email comes in from Dr. Rabindra Das. Dr. Das writes, I want to purchase a duplex in Green Tech City of Vedic Realty in Kolkata. My budget is 60 to 70 lakhs. Please suggest. Kolkata.
So from our point of view, Rajarhat is one of the good upcoming locations of Kolkata, where maximum absorption is happening in Kolkata. This is the IT hub which will emerge over the next few years. The main source of employment generation is going to happen from Rajarhat. That's why this market is done reasonably okay. Also 11% on the price appreciation charts. Inventory overhang is safe, 18 odd months. And the weighted average price has slowly crept up to 3,650 rupees a square foot. The project that you've shortlisted gets a go-ahead from our side. Developer is a reputed developer in Kolkata area. Township is strategically located in Action Area 3. The duplex apartments are spread over 14 acres and have G+3 structures. There are 25 duplex blocks. The township also has an 18-hole championship golf course, which is partially complete. And there are golf-themed villas and apartments around the golf course. This is a 2,000-acre integrated township. So over a long period in time, it will be a very good bet. And the other two projects are Green Height by Loharka Group. This is in phase 1 is at 4,000 and phase 2 is at 3,900. This small project spread over 2.5 acres should you want to be in a small project, but it is offering you a 15,000 square feet clubhouse, including an indoor swimming pool, automatic elevators, and the construction of the same is already underway. Ideal Enclave Phase 2 by Ideal Group at Gopalpur, Rajarhat. This is a project spread over 402 quotas. Project is 2.2 kilometers from the city center 2 in Newtown. Designed by Hafiz Contractor, and the project is bang on the main Rajarhat Road opposite the Deruzio College.
Okay, so Dr. Das, we are upbeat on Rajarhat as a micro market. Bulk of the investments in Kolkata are focused on this market, Rajarhat. It's a good move on your part to invest in a location which with such strong future prospects, given all the amenities, infrastructure and the job creation facilities that they are creating. The projects we recommend for you, Green Heights by Loharka Group and Ideal Enclave Phase 2 by Ideal Group. And that's a wrap for today. Keep writing to us with your feedback and questions to property@ndtv.com. Don't miss our radio show every Saturday at 2 p.m. on Radio City, and keep up with the latest in real estate by following us on Twitter and Facebook. Sameer and I will take your leave. We'll see you again soon. Goodbye.